last measure of central tendency that we're going to discuss is what we call the mean, or is sometimes referred to as the arithmetic mean. For the arithmetic mean, we have a formula. For a sample, we use x bar to represent the mean. And for the formula, we have this. This is the formula that we use to find the arithmetic mean. For the arithmetic mean, x bar, or just the mean as we call it, x bar, it equals the summation. This is a capital sigma, Greek letter sigma. Here it stands for the summation, or the sum. It tells us that we have to add things together, the summation symbol. So here we have the summation of x. And x here represents the scores. X represents the scores, or the numbers that you have in the data set. So this numerator tells us that we have to add the scores together, and then we have to divide by n. And n represents how many we have, or what we sometimes refer to as the sample size. The sample size, the number of scores we have, or the sample size. For example, if we have 4 test scores, 75, 75, 85, 85, 4 test scores. This is an example of a sample of a data set, a set of data. If we want to find the mean of this set of data, or the arithmetic mean of this set of data, we would use this formula. We would have x bar equals the summation of the scores. So we take the 75 plus the 75 plus the 85 plus the 85. We add them together and we divide by how many scores we have. The sample size here is 4. So here we're dividing by 4. We add the scores together. We get 320. We divide that by 4, and we get 80. This tells us that the average score, or the mean, this is x bar here, by the way, not just plain x, but x bar. This tells us that the mean of this sample, the arithmetic mean, is 80. That's what we call the average score. It's a type of average, just like the median and the mode. But to get this average, the advantage in getting this average is that to get it, you use all the scores. It's not like it was with the median and the mode. To get the arithmetic mean, you use all the scores to make your computation. And as indicated here, the mean of this sample is 80. That's the average score. As we say, the most typical score for this data set.